Ready for action, the T59 is a great choice for installing data and communication wiring. This cable stapler is perfect for installing computer, Cat5, Cat6, RG6, RG9, COAX, and phone cables without crimping. Use the right staples. This stapler works exclusively with genuine Arrow T59 staples. The convenient and reliable rear load magazine fits insulated staples in 3 sizes: 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch, 1/4 inch by 5/16 inch, and 5/16 inch by 5/16 inch. High-quality construction, made in the USA, the chromed steel housing and hardened steel working parts provide strength and durability for this stapler. Comfort: the rubberized comfort grip on the short span, easy compression handle reduces strain for the user. Built for accuracy, a grooved wire guide tracks along the cable, speeding the work and preventing damage. Top reviews from the United States. Pretty good. Arrow staplers ain't cheap. And they're hecka sturdy. It may cost a little more than others, but it does what it's supposed to do very well.